Hello, Ronda Berns here from Ronda Berns Sales Consulting and Sales Coaching. I've been spending some time on social media, and one of the things that has come up and many questions that I've been asked was, how do I show up for a call or a meeting and not sound salesy? Do you have that question as well? So what I tell people, and one of the techniques that I teach in all of my classes, is show up a different way. Do some research on the person that you're going to meet. Find out what they're about. See if you can find some information on LinkedIn, on their website, on their Facebook page. And when you show up for this meeting, go to this meeting and have a conversation with them. Don't go to make a sales call. When you don't show up to do sales and you show up to find out about the customer, what they need and want, what are they looking for? What are they trying to achieve? What are some of their challenges that they're having right now? And what are some of the things and areas that you might be able to help them with? And one of the things that I use quite often is I listen to what they have to say. And if I feel that it is an opportunity and I have a solution or something that I believe that either my service or someone I'm connected to would be able to help them, I ask for permission. Would you be okay, based on what you just told me, would you be okay if I made a suggestion on how you might be able to achieve that? It might be through somebody else. It might be through one of the programs. It might be through one of my coaching programs. Whatever that might be, I've asked for permission. But more important, I have listened to what they had to say. I heard what they were looking for. And now I'm going to make a suggestion on how I might be able to help them with what they're looking to do. So you're not going to feel salesy, whether you're on a Zoom call, you're going face to face, you're on a phone call. Show up, have a conversation, get to know the person that you're talking to, connect with them, build some rapport. That is how you actually start making a sale moving forward. If there's a need for you to work together, it's going to happen. If not, move on or see if you can help them with something else. So if you have any additional comments on how you handle not being salesy when you show up for calls, go ahead and put them in the comments there. If you'd like to know a little bit more about what I do and how I work with the sales process, which is a customer-centric, relationship-based sales process, go ahead and check out my website at rondaberns.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.